I've been getting so many questions about products. What shade should I use? What foundation can I get? What concealer works? How do I get to know the essentials that needs to be in my kit? Okay, now here we are at that point where I want to answer every single question. Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm so sorry I've been away for so long. I got into a lot of activities. I got into a business accelerator program. It took so much time. I had project assignment. But let me stop boring you with all of me and let's get back to what brought us here. Today I'll be speaking about 8 essentials that you need in your makeup kit. Yes, you heard me right. 8 essentials. The number one thing that you need to have in your makeup kit is, drumroll, your face primer. Yes, you need to have your face primer. What's the purpose of the face primer? The face primer is the base for your foundation. It is the intermediary between the skin and the product you're applying on your face. It helps your foundation sit nicely on your face. If you notice, sometimes when you apply your foundation without face primer, after a while it might look like they're shifting, giving way, it's not sitting properly. Yes, you need a very good face primer. If you know you have the oily skin, you go for a matte face primer. If you know you have a dry skin, you go for a dewy face primer. Number 2 is your concealer. You need your concealer to help you cover your dark circles, your spots, your blemishes, and from its name concealer, it's that goes under your foundation. So you use a shade or 2 shades darker of a concealer for your face. And I know you'll be asking, what of a concealer for your brow? Yes, for your brow, you use your exact shade or a shade lighter for your brow to do that. Number 3 essential you need is your foundation. We all know about this. Getting a very good foundation does the magic. So the foundation is a base for every of your other product, like your powder, your blusher. Yes, your foundation is very key. It comes after your concealer and it helps your powder to sit properly on the skin. We know there are different types, and we know may have like maybe the compact foundation or the liquid. Whichever one works for you, your foundation is an essential in your makeup kit. Let's go to the next. Number 4, we go in with your blusher. You should have a blusher in your makeup kit. And what does this do? It warms out the face. It makes your face warm. It doesn't make you look brown. You don't look caramel. You don't look bare. It gives a bit of pop to the face and it lifts your cheek. Yeah, so you work with the blusher that works for you. I'll be talking about this in my other videos. You know, the right blusher for you. Number 5, you need to have a brow pencil or a brow filler. Not everybody knows how to draw the brows, but at least you should have a brow pencil or a brow filler. What does this do? It just help you to draw fillers, like just fill it a little bit, draw a little feathers on the brow. You brush your brows, so just to help you fill the brow just a little, to bring a bit of lift to the eye area. And we're going to the next one. Number 6. Now for number 6, we go, you must have a mascara. Yes, we need a mascara. What does the mascara do? It helps you define your eyes, and it also gives volume to your lash. It opens up the eye too. So you need a mascara in your makeup kit. Number 7, you need a lip gloss or a lipstick. Whatever works for you. You should have either of those, either a lip gloss or a lipstick. They give definition to your lips and they don't make the lips feel chapped or comfortable. Yeah, the pretty girl needs to have a bit of pop or a bit of definition to the lips. So try to get a lip gloss or a lipstick. And the last item you should have in your makeup kit is your finishing powder. It is very important to have a finishing powder because it helps you to smoothen out everything you have on your face and also to have a flawless finish. In my other video, I'll be emphasizing more on powder choices, list, and reviews on the finishing powder I have used, and also recommendations to you. But for now, these are the 8 essentials you should have in your makeup kit. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as many as not subscribed, please, I need you to subscribe so that you could be the first to get notifications on new videos or content about your beauty and self-care. And also share to as many people that are interested in contents like this. You'll probably be saving someone who's spending so much on a beauty kit. And it's nice having you guys again. Look forward to seeing you again. Look forward to having another content and chat with you. Bye for now.